What's up everybody, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm pretty excited to show you guys the tutorial on how to connect or to share two AirPods onto only one device, meaning that I'm going to use my iPhone but I'm going to share two AirPods together within this iPhone. So the advantage of pairing two AirPods within a device is that you can share. For example, you can enjoy watching the videos or movie together by sharing two sets of AirPods. What you have to do first is make sure that one of your AirPods is connected to your iPhone. So now let me double check. So I go to Bluetooth. So now my AirPod is connected, one of my AirPods. So now I plug one in to my ear and I'm going to play a video. And next what you have to do is to drag the right hand side, and then you can see this pop-up icon over here. Click on this one. You can see that the output music is to Paravuth AirPods, meaning that I have already connected to this one, okay, the red one. So in order to share your device with another AirPods is to click on Share Audio. As you can see over there, Share Audio. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, now you can see that Share Audio. So now click on Share Audio and bring another pair of headphones or the iPhone or iPad they are connected to close to this iPhone. So open the case. You can see now Share Audio. You can see that? Yeah, so click on Share Audio. Press and hold the button on the back of the charging case to start sharing. So just follow the instruction. Sorry, you have to open your case and then hold on the back. Yeah, you hold it. Okay, so now you have got two different sets of AirPods. The first one is Paravuth AirPods, and the second one, as you can see, is Mui Kêu Ong's AirPods. So this is another set of AirPods. So just click on this tick. So now the output is for two sets of AirPods. Take one of these and I listen to it. Let's see if I can hear two at the same time. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. So I'm using one of the AirPods from the white case and the other one from the red case. And now I'm using two sets of AirPods at the same time. So now you can watch any videos with your friends or partners, meaning that you can share each of them each AirPod. And you can even adjust the value. So just track it again. So you can see three bars. So the first bar is for Mui Kêu AirPods, and the second one is for Paravuth AirPods, and the last one is for both. So the thing is that some people have different hearing difficulty. Some of them don't want to listen to loud music or loud video, so you can adjust the volume for them. Yeah. So now I'm adjusting the left AirPod. I'm adjusting the left one, or I'm adjusting the second one, or the last bar is for everybody. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Thanks. I hope to see you guys in the next video.